Making money is an essential part of being a man. We are the breadwinners, the providers for our loved ones, commanded by Allah SWT himself. So learning new skills and investing in ourselves to be able to make as much money as possible and ensure that all of it is halal is a must. If you're a young Muslim entrepreneur or an aspiring entrepreneur, this video is for you. The best halal side hustles for 2024. Most of you clicked on this video because you've got no idea what you're doing and where to start. And inshallah, by the end of this video, you'll have gained a sense of direction and understand what your next steps are. Bismillah, let's begin. Starting off with a very popular and very straightforward halal side hustle is TikTok theme pages. Now, for those of you who have been living under a rock, or maybe you just don't know, TikTok recently created this thing called the Creativity Program, where you can get paid for videos that are over 1 minute long. Now, you might be thinking, oh, but I'm a bit camera shy. I'm not the type of person to put myself out there on social media. That's fine. You just need to find other popular creators, streamers, vloggers, whatever, and then you need to cut up their clips, do a little bit of editing, and then post it on your TikTok pages. You've probably been scrolling on social media and you've seen those clips where it's some random clip of a streamer on top, and then on the bottom it's some sort of gameplay footage. That's essentially what you're going to be doing. And if you're worried about the creator saying anything, just understand that you are giving them free advertising and exposure. So it's a win-win as long as you're giving credit where it's due. Now, this business model is halal provided that you don't use any sort of haram clips or music in your videos. You could easily scale this to a minimum of 5 grand a month within the first 6 months as long as you stay disciplined and you stay consistent. The second in our list of the best halal side hustles for 2024 is a classic. Starting an agency. Find an issue that businesses or individuals are suffering from, work out the solution to this problem, and package it up nicely and sell it as a service. The key to really making some serious money from this, despite the heavy saturation, is being able to utilize AI software and automation tools and also outsourcing as many tasks as possible. This way you can streamline the entire process and eventually remove yourself from the day-to-day tasks of running the business. That way you can focus on further growth and scaling of your agency so that eventually you can maybe sell it on for a nice little multiple. Anything to do with social media, content creation, video editing, and AI will be your best bet. These are all trending topics, so act fast and dominate your industry before the competition finds out. Speed is the key in this game. Number 3 on our list of the best halal side hustles for 2024 is faceless YouTube channels / YouTube automation. This one has mixed reviews, but I've noticed a trend over the past year, and I think if more Muslims can act fast, we can dominate this niche. You might have seen a couple of these channels pop up in your recommended, like The Update or On Point Fresh or anything similar to that. What do you notice that they all have in common? They're all posting the exact same content with a few little tweaks here and there. All of these channels are writing basic self-improvement advice for beginners, and they're using AI voices to be able to put together the entire video. And then they've thrown in some basic editing to keep the viewer retention high. Most of these videos are less than 5 minutes long and they don't require a crazy amount of research. You don't need any prior knowledge, but of course it will help you. All you need to do is pick a niche that interests you and also has potential to get good views, and then you need to just start coming up with video ideas and scripts, and you can use AI like ChatGPT to help you put together those scripts. Then all that's left to do is create the video. Now you could do this yourself, or you could hire a third-party editor to do that for you. All you really need to do is just give them a few examples and then they'll do the rest, and you can just sit back and relax. Now you might be thinking, 1, I don't know how to edit videos, and 2, I don't know where to find people who can edit videos for me. Inside Muslim Millionaires, this is one of many skills that we teach, the art of video editing. So you could either join Muslim Millionaires to learn this skill yourself, or you could join and find Muslim entrepreneurs who will make sure to provide you with the highest quality service for the best possible price. More information will be in the description below. Now with this side hustle, you can quickly blow up and start earning money passively from YouTube itself. But you can also start to expand into other income sources from this. So you could sell your own physical product, own digital product. You could become an affiliate for someone else, or you could provide one-to-one coaching on that subject, provided that you already have an expertise in it. And as with everything already mentioned in this video, it's all halal provided that you don't use any sort of haram content or clips or music or anything like that. Those are the top 3 best halal side hustles that you as a Muslim should start exploring in 2024, in my opinion. Now there's tons more out there, and inshallah I will keep making more videos for the rest of this year, updating you with new unique side hustle ideas that I've come across. But it doesn't matter what idea you choose if you're not executing properly. And in order to do that, you need to have an edge over your competitors. Information, knowledge, Muslim millionaires. An online private network for young Muslim entrepreneurs to be able to connect with like-minded individuals from around the world, learn over 20 plus halal methods to make money online, and strive to become the best possible version of yourself. I started this education company over 3 years ago, and alhamdulillah, we've been able to help hundreds of young brothers and sisters be able to start their first ever business and start making halal money online. Muslim millionaires, by Muslims, for Muslims. Join today.